Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Solving this nested loop problem is fast if you track changes correctly. Let's break down this 2D array code to find the final value.
First, we look at our nested loops, which visit every single element in the array. The outer loop handles the rows, while the inner loop iterates through every column for us. Notice the condition where we multiply by 2 only if the column index is 0. This means the first element of each row doubles before we add it to our total. The first row becomes 223, the second becomes 856. Adding these together gives our final sum of 26.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to miss the doubling. Trust the given steps for success.